My name is Rosario, and this is my first video on my first YouTube channel, so let's get into it. So please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and please check the notifications. Might not have any yet. So let's get into the video. So today I'm going to be making I'm not going to be making slime, just going to be playing with it. You might not hear the ASMR because of my family. You might hear it because it's a little quiet right now. I'm the only loud one. So let's just get into it. So I will leave the recipe in the link. I might not have a link because I don't really know how yet. So how to do a link, I guess, I don't know. So I'm just going to tell you the recipe right now while I'm playing with this. So what you will need, alright, I'm going to stop playing with this for a second. So you're going to need some glue. Doesn't matter, I use Elmer's. I would suggest that. If there's any type of other glue brand you can use, you can definitely use that. It just depends if it works or not. If it doesn't work, I would try Elmer's glue. I use clear, but you guys can use any color you want. And if you want to dye your glue, like if it's white or clear, you should do that before you add in all the other ingredients. So what you need is a mixing tool, you need a bowl, glue, laundry detergent. I use Tide, maybe other detergents might work, but I use Tide, so I would suggest that. And you need shaving cream or shaving gel. And I've tried both with shaving cream and shaving gel. They both work, so I would suggest both. This one is with shaving foam, and then I add some shaving gel into it, and it's still fine. If you want it to be fluffy again, you probably should add in some more shaving gel or shaving foam. So I'm going to tell you the recipe. So what you will need is glue. Well, yeah, I told you that. And what you want to do is pour your glue into your bowl, and if you want to add colors, you should do it now before you add in all the ingredients. As I said earlier, I think I said that, I don't know. Then you want to add in your shaving cream or shaving gel. Then you don't want to add too much. I was just randomly adding this in. So I would suggest a little bit, not too much. Probably like a little bit bigger than the size of a quarter, at least. Then you want to mix your shaving gel or shaving cream into the glue until you don't see any clumps, I guess. Then you want to add in your laundry detergent. Just want to stir in a little bit, like if you have Tide, like it has measurements. I would say use don't even go to 1. You should start off with a little bit and then keep adding it in as you go and keep mixing it. So if you mess up, it should be clumpy-ish kind of. I had one slime that I messed up on, and I was able to fix it. I don't know if you guys will be able to fix some of yours, but maybe you will. Then you just want to stir that all together, and hopefully you'll end up with a good batch of slime that ends up like this. So it is a fluffy slime. So I hope you guys enjoyed that recipe, and let's get into the ASMR. Sorry about that. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was my first video, so I hope you guys really like this. If the recipe does not work for you, just comment. I'll try and get back to you. And I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.